Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use Zoom and read mode in Microsoft Word. So I want to highlight it now. Control A. I want to increase the font to like 16. Okay, so you can see the instruction on my screen. So if you want a better view while working in Word, here's how to zoom and use read mode. Okay, so to zoom in out, you come to um, the bottom right corner, or go to view, then to zoom and choose your percentage. So this is the top right corner, the bottom right corner here. You can see zoom. Okay, you can increase it, as you can see, and you can reduce it as well as in any percentage you want it. It's currently at 100%. This 170. This is okay, so you can increase it as you like, but if you do not want to increase it from there, you can come to the view option, then set it to the particular percentage you want. Okay, so currently is in 100 percent. Okay, so if you want to zoom, you can come in, select the percentage you want it. All right, okay, that is that. And also, so let me just leave it at 100%. Okay, so then for distraction free reading, you go to view, then go to, I'm already in view, right? Then you go to read mode. So this is read mode here. Okay, yeah, that is it. So you can see it. So you can change it to you can view your content in read mode for a better look. Okay, so that is just it. So it is very simple. So if you want to exit this read mode, all you need to do is to click on view, then you click on view, then you click on edit document, then you're back to the normal mode. All right, so that is it. Quick and clean, viewing just like that. So that is all. Please subscribe for more everyday tricks. Thank you.